$40.27, 2.5 miles. Huh? What?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I am giving DoorDash less of my time.
Do it!
I got my first order all day.
Just
All day. We gonna throw a screenshot up right over there. It's a Walmart Spark order, and check this out. I got it right here in my nice little tub. I bought this tub, cost me like $2.95 or something. It was on sale, but it was like $3, less than $5. And now I got this one and this one in the back. I don't know if you, where the other one at? Hold on. You can't see it, it's all the way back there. But I got this, my catering bag, and I use these to do my Walmart Spark orders, and it helps me get the job done easier. And guess what? If you find value in this video, I need you to hit that like button and the subscribe button, because I got a goal of 10,000 subscribers. I'm trying to hit it as quickly as possible, and I'm trying to get this YouTube money. So make sure you watch all my videos and don't skip none of them. Stop playing with me. First order of the day, Walmart Spark. I'm gonna be giving DoorDash less of my time though, because here's the thing. It's a lot of low offers on DoorDash, and I can't make my daily goal just depending on DoorDash no more. So I'm switching gears and I'm multi-apping. And first order of the day is Walmart Spark. Let's get it done. The time is 11:18 in the morning. I'm starting off earlier today because I got some things to do. So I'm gonna be taking some breaks, dipping in and out. But that's the beauty of working in the gig economy. You can work when you want to. It rained really, really hard last night. It was a tornado watch and everything. So it's like really gloomy out here still. The temperature done dropped. It's literally 40 degrees now. It was 80 yesterday. So it's been a drastic drop in temperature, but it ain't nothing like it was in South Dakota. Like 40 degrees, I'd take that all day, any day of the week. Because when I was up in South Dakota, I'm going to tell you right now, they was 0 degrees, 5 degrees, -10 degrees. Stop playing with me. This is nothing right here. Heading onto the college campus with this one. This is the SIUE college campus. I don't mind doing deliveries over here. I actually get quite a few over here, and it be Walmart Spark orders, Uber orders, DoorDash orders. It really doesn't matter. So we're gonna be heading up here, and you know what? I just got my next order. $7, 1 mile at Steak and Shake, and this one came through on Uber Eats, so it's perfect. So let's go ahead and get this money. That's how you do it. You wanna keep your wheels rolling. Always have an order in the queue. Made it to Steak and Shake. See if they got this one ready. Probably do though. Uh-oh, copyrighted music. You too, thank you. Alrighty, let's drop off this Steak and Shake for Lily, and she's at the therapy center. Go ahead, hook her up. She's a good tipper. Sir, we looking good now. I just grabbed me another shop and deliver order. $22.23 for 3.1 miles. Right back at the same Walmart. Look. I be in and out of this Walmart all day like clockwork, and especially in the early mornings when Spark be jamming like this, man, I cannot be stopped. So,
just do it!
So, ooh, look at these geese right here. They just doing their thing. It is all geese poop up here because of them. Look at them. They just walking and pooping. Walking and pooping and yelling. But look, that ain't got nothing to do with me. I'm about to head up here to Walmart and get this order. Get this shopping delivered done. Hopefully, I'm gonna see if I can get on the schedule on DoorDash. But look, this is day number 4 of giving DoorDash less of my time. So if I can't get on, hey, I ain't even finna trip because I got other ways to make money. And this is what we like to show you on this channel. I'm your boy, the DashingTrader, and we like to show you how to make money with different apps. And as you can see, man, these geese loud as hell. They just messing up my whole video. They don't even care. As you can see, I got 2 Walmart Spark orders done so far. Well, not so far. I got 2 for the day. About to get started on my second one, but 2 orders done. 1 Walmart Spark, 1 Uber Eats. And that's what you want to do. You want to have as many opportunities available to you as possible, because in this gig economy, things are always changing. So you got to make sure you can adapt at a moment's notice. So, you know, for the last couple of weeks, I was primarily testing out DoorDash, trying to get some results. And guess what? I got some results. And guess what? They was not pretty because I didn't make no money. So I'm trying to see if I can see what's good on the other side of the grass, other side of the fence. Because look, I need my money, man. I got bills to pay. I ain't making no money on this YouTube like that. Nah, man. I need to be out here just like everybody else, grinding, achieving my goals every day. What is my goal? Well, my goal is $100 a day. If I can make $100 a day, I'm good. But I would like to make more than that. I just like to set my goal as what I need for to cover my bills and maintain my expenses, right? 150, 170, I'm definitely going for that every day, but for the most part, hit my $100 a day, I'm good. We on track for that already. I got one $17 order. Then I got a $7 Uber, and now we on our way to a $22 shop and deliver on Walmart Spark. So I find it way easier to hit my goals when I use multiple apps. Because when I was just using Doordash, it was like I was in the shadow realm. And it was like I was just in the shadow realm, and I just didn't know what to do, where my next dollar was coming from. It's hard. Like Doordash. Look, somebody in my comments said I would only take that order if I was a crackhead and I needed crack in that direction. Like, that's how bad some of these orders be sometimes on DoorDash. And don't get me wrong, there's some good orders out there too, but you gotta do what works for you. Because for me personally, I gotta make it a B. Cause look, DoorDash ain't sending me too many great offers. I ain't got no large order program. I ain't got no pizza bag program. I'm out here. I'm like an outlaw. You know what I'm saying? So I got the multi-app, y'all. Shopping done in 10 minutes. I even had enough time to use the bathroom. That's how easy these shopping is. Now we just gotta scoot across this parking lot and find my car because I forgot where I parked. We got $30.97 for 6.7 miles. Right back here at Walmart. Now this order got 27 items on it, but you know what? I'm cool with it because I've been sitting here waiting on Uber to go off. I dropped off that last order and I didn't get not one Uber order on the whole ride back over here. But I was able to slide back on the DoorDash shift. I got me a 45-minute shift from 12:45 to 1:30. And if I go ahead and get these legs moving and get my energy up real quick, I'm pretty sure I can knock out these 27 items super fast, and then I'll be able to at least get, I don't know, maybe one order on DoorDash. I'm not sure. Got all that shopping done in 20 minutes. Look at that. And the hidden tip for all my Walmart Spark drivers: if it's packed inside of Walmart, just go ahead, hit that self-checkout, grab you some bags, and bring your stuff to the car and bag your items at the vehicle. That way you don't waste time. Get this Walmart Spark order dropped off. Yes, sir. So we 2 hours in, and I did what? 3 Walmart Spark shopping delivers and 1 Uber Eats order. 77 bucks. Come on, man. Stop playing with me. 77 bucks? With 2 apps in the first 2 hours, that's over 35 bucks an hour. Come on, man. Download you some multiple apps, preferably some shopping. $3.27, 2.5 miles. Huh? What? Shop and deliver? Come on, man. I'm right here. I literally just pulled back up to Walmart and I looked down at my phone, and before it could even vibrate, I clicked accept. Come on, man. This is easy money. This is over $100. On just Walmart Spark, that's $110. I'm about to get this order knocked out. A few items on this one. I'm thinking it's gonna take me probably about 25 minutes total to do all the shopping, because they got grocery items and they got a couple healthcare beauty items too. But all in all, I'm still gonna have this whole thing done in 30 minutes. Top. Shopping delivered done. This one had alcohol on it, so they had to verify my ID. And even with that, 20 minutes of shopping. 20 minutes. Now let's go. And it's only 2 miles away. I think this one going literally like down the street. Time is now 2:30. Been out here 3 hours now, and I got $40 badge, a $30 badge, $22 badge, and a $17 badge. If I'm not mistaken, I should be at like $110 with just Walmart Spark. Let's go. Now I'm getting kind of hungry. It's lunchtime. I've been out since the morning, and I had a small breakfast, but hey, Trader needs something to eat, y'all. Look, 'cause I ain't trying to be out here starving. I could work 2 more hours, you know, 2.5 more hours, put me at 5 p.m. But then, because if I wait that long, I'm really gonna be starving then. So I said, you know what? Let me go ahead, go head to the crib, get my video edited from yesterday, and then I have enough time to hop back out here and work from about 5 p.m. to whatever. So we're gonna do that. But first 3 hours, we had what, like 100, and I'm estimating, because on the Walmart Spark orders, I know I'm at 110 bucks, and I did that $7 Uber. It's at least 120 bucks, probably more, but that's like killer for 3 hours of work. That's 40 bucks an hour basically, multi-apping. Let's get it.